Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to blur a specific part of the video in CapCut. For example, we have taken this video. First of all, we will right click the video and click on copy, and then we'll paste the video on top. First of all, we will put the blur effect on the second video. For this, click on the effects and then search for blur effect. We will just click on the blur effect and then drag it to the second video, which is on top. And then we will click on the video. We will go to the video tab and then click on mask. And then we will click on the add mask. And then we can choose the shape, whatever we like. For this video, I have taken the rectangular shape. Now we will just adjust the size of the blur that we need. In this video, I'm going to blur the Google on the screen. We can also adjust the intensity of the blur that we need. For this, we will click on the blur effect and then we will adjust the strength of the blur. We will adjust the intensity of the blur level. I will show you the video now. As you can see, the Google icon is blurred now. In this way, you can blur the specific part of the video. Thank you for watching this video.